Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Leaf Guard. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if this gutter guard is worth it. Leaf Guard overview. Gutter maintenance is an essential part of home ownership that can sometimes be very frustrating. Leaf Guard boasts of providing the highest level of protection for your home when other gutter systems only do a decent job. The company offers a lifetime no-clog warranty with all its gutters, meaning if in case it clogs, then you will get a free cleaning. Leaf Guard also utilizes high-quality materials in a one-piece guttering system at a price justified by a lifetime of guarantees. What we liked: no clogging, no need for cleaning with a clog-free guarantee, custom made for each home. What we didn't like: may not be the best choice for icy or snowy regions. Wraparound hood. Leaf Guard has a seamless one-piece style with a wraparound hood. The hood closes the top of the gutter, ensuring leaves and other debris do not enter the gutter. Thus, the patented guttering technology ensures you will not experience clogging. The best part is that there's no need for cleaning with no clogging. Large downspout. Leaf Guard has downspouts that are 33% larger than the average gutter system. This ensures increased water flow, thus the water moves from the house quicker, and the result is no water damage, and your house's foundations, roofing, brickwork, and wood are more secure. Custom made. Leaf Guard makes the gutter system specifically for your home, meaning the gutters are custom fitted to match your home's design and shape. This makes the installation process easy, and there's no damage to your roof. The perfect fit also ensures that gutters do not become loose and come off from your fascia boards. Who is the Leaf Guard gutter system best suited for? The Leaf Guard gutter system is best suited for people who want to do away with regular gutter cleaning caused by leaves and debris. Verdict: should you get a Leaf Guard? Leaf Guard is an excellent choice if you're looking for a gutter system that requires no regular cleaning and is backed by a clog-free guarantee. It's also a solid option if you want a professional installation process, since a certified installation team from the company installs the system. However, Leaf Guard may not be the best option for snowy regions, and you may want to consider a system that prevents heavy snow buildup. Thanks for watching.